Okay. So, Mr. Sarthak, what is the answer for question number 7? Question number 7.
So 562,500 meters square.
750 meter. 750 meter is the length of each side. So this is 750, this is 750, this is 750, this is 750. I need to find the area of the square plot. Area of the square plot would be 750 into 750. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
The answer that you have got is 75 into 75 is 562500 meter square. Mr. Satya, is it okay? This is the answer
Yes,
that
sir.
you got? Yeah. Sarthak, the same answer you have got?
Yes, sir.
Great, sir. Good. Question number 8. Mr. Sarthak, what is the answer you got?
So 1,362 meters.
1362 meter. Okay. So the length is 152 meter, breadth is 75 meter. He walks 3 times. So if he walks once, I need to calculate the perimeter because it is question is asking me what is the distance that he covers. When he walks once, this will be twice of L plus B. Twice of 152 plus 75. This will be twice of 227 into 2, and if he walks thrice, this will be 3 into 2 into 227. Mr. Satya, is it okay? Mr. Satya.
Yes, sir.
So the final answer would be 227 into 6. That is equal to 1362 meter. Mr. Sarthak, very good. 1362 is the right answer. Okay. Question number 9. Mr. Sarthak, what is the answer you have got?
So I couldn't understand this question.
Okay. Mr. Satya, did you do this question? Question 9?
Sir, I don't remember because I had did it directly on the mobile.
Okay. The perimeter of a rectangular window is 13 meter. Okay. Its length is 4 meter. So this is a rectangular window. Length is 4 meter. It is rectangular. This is 4 meter. The perimeter is given. Let us say that the breadth is B and this is B. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Sarthak, the perimeter would be equal to B plus 4 plus B plus 4, and this will be equal to Mr. Sarthak.
So B square plus 8.
So, Mr. Sarthak, B plus B plus B is 2B. B into B is B square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
B plus B plus B would be equal to
3B.
and B into B would be equal to
B cube.
any doubt?
No, sir.
B plus B plus B plus B would be equal to
4B.
sorry,
4B.
and B into B into B into B would be equal to
B raised to the power 4.
Mr. Satya, Mr. Sarthak, can you note this down?
Yes, sir.
Please note all this down. So, Mr. Sarthak, B plus B would be equal to 2B and 4 plus 4 would be equal to 8. So, this will be equal to 2b plus 8. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Then what does the question say? The question says that the perimeter is 13 meter. So 2b plus 8 would be equal to 13. Mr. Sarthak, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
2b plus 8 would be equal to 13. So, Mr. Sarthak, do you know how to solve these basic equations? Do you know?
No, sir.
So, I'll try to tell you, I'll try to make you understand. If you are able to do it, then it's okay. Otherwise, maybe in 7th class, we'll be doing a lot of exercises regarding this. So, 2b plus 8 is equal to 13. Now, this 8 will go to the right hand side. It is positive here. It will become negative when it changes the direction to the right hand side. Any doubt, Mr. Sarthak?
No, sir.
Or another way in which you can see this is that you can subtract minus 8 from both sides of the equation. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
8 and 8 will get cancelled. So 2b would be equal to 13 minus 8. So there are two ways in which you can solve these equations. One way of looking at this is that this 8 will go in the right direction. It will go in the right hand side. This is positive here, it will become negative here. So one way of looking at this is one of the method. The second method is that you subtract 8 from both sides. Now whatever way you are comfortable with, you can use this method or you can use this method. What is the method that you would like to use, Mr. Sarthak?
So the right one.
The right one, this one. Okay. So 2b is equal to 5. Therefore, b is equal to 5 upon 2. Any doubt? Mr.
No.
Sarthak, any doubt? So this would be equal to 5 upon 2 meter and this would be equal to 5 upon 2 meter. And if we want to check, if we find the perimeter would be equal to 4 plus 5 upon 2 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2. 4 plus 4 would be 8. 5 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2 would be 5. And 8 plus 5 would be 13. Any doubt? Mr. Sarthak?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya?
No, sir.
So on solving, I have got the breadth to be 5 by 2 meter, 5 by 2 meter. Now the second, I can find the area. Area would be equal to 4 into 5 by 2 is equal to 10 meter square. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Find the cost of fixing a glass on the window if the rate of glass is 325 per meter square. So for fixing 1 meter square, the rate would be 325 rupees. For fixing 10 meter square, the rate would be 325 into 10, 3250 rupees. This would be the final answer. Any doubt, Mr. Sarthak, Mr. Satya?
No,
No.
sir.
Okay. So were you able to do question number 10?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer you got?
So the cost is 307.
300 and
7.
307 rupees. Okay, let us see. The field is 35-meter long, 16-meter broad. Cost of fencing. So the fencing would be on the perimeter. So basically, they are asking me the perimeter of this rectangle. So the perimeter would be equal to twice of L plus B, twice of 16 plus 35, twice of 345, twice of 51,
So it will be 102 meters.
102 meters. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So cost of fencing 1 meter is rupees 3.5. So for 102 meter, it will be 3.5 into 102. This would be equal to 3.5 into 102 equal to 357. Mr. Sarthak, is it 357?
Sir, I just checked. It was 357.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. So with 357 is the final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. How many rectangular tiles measuring 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter are required to completely cover a rectangular region whose length and breadth are this? Mr. Sarthak, were you able to do this?
No, sir.
Let us try to understand. So, this is a rectangular region which measures 144 centimeter by 100 centimeter. And I need to put rectangular tiles. How do I put rectangular tiles? I put rectangular tiles something like this. Let us assume I put them like this. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt? So, Mr. Sarthak, these are the rectangular tiles all over this. You know, they are of the all of these tiles are equal in area. Area of each tile is 15 centimeter by 8 centimeter, and the region is 144 centimeter by 100 centimeter. Therefore, total area of the rectangular region would be 144 into 100. This is the area of the region, and this is the area of each tile. Mr. Sarthak, any confusion?
No, sir. I understood how to do it now.
And how will you find the number of tiles?
So we have to find the area of the tiles and the whole rectangle and
Yeah.
then divide them.
Shabash. 144 into 100 divided by 15 into 4. Any doubt?
So,
Can you calculate and tell me the answer? So when you are solving these kind of questions, all that you need to understand is, please do not try to multiply 144, 100, multiply 15, 8 and then try to divide. Do not do like that. The simple way of doing this
I
is,
do it like that. The cutting one.
yes, you can cancel 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. This is 5 plus 1, 6. So both of these would be divisible by 3. So 3, 5 the 15. 3, 4 the 12. 3, 8 the 24. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
8, 6 the 48. 5, 2 the 10. So the answer would be. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So please do not try to do like this. 14400 divided by 8 by the 40. Do not try to do like this. So you can divide, you can find common factors and divide like this. This is a very easy option. Just Hardik, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So Sarthak, what is the answer for this? First figure?
So I wasn't able to do it.
Just Satya?
Sir, I did it, but I told you I don't have it right now.
Okay. So, okay. Let us try to make simple figures out of this. Sarthak, have you understood? Does Sarthak any doubt? Does Satya any doubt?
No, sir.
Because Satya, what I've done is I have made 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. So this first rectangle, the area would be 2 into 5. For the second rectangle, the area would be 4 into 3. For the third rectangle, the area would be, this would be 1. The breadth would be 1. And this whole would be 7. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So the area would be 1 into 7. And finally, for this figure, it will be, whole of this is 4. This is also 4. So the area would be 4 into 4. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So my area would be, let me write it here. This is 10. This is 12. This is 7. This is 16. So the area would be 9, 6, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 45. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So you'll have to make rectangles. So for example, in this figure also, let us try to understand how we can do. I can join these two. I'll have 3 rectangles. This would be 8 into 1. This again would be 8 into 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
And this would be 3 into 3. This is 3. This is also 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. This whole is 8.
So it will be 2.
Shabash. So this would be 3 into 2. So the answer would be 8 plus 8 plus 6. So the answer would be 16 plus 6 is 22. All measurements are in centimeters. So this will be centimeter square. And this would be 45 centimeters square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Great, sir. Mr. Sarthak, first question.
So 15000000000.
Okay. First
So
question.
I'm also done. I didn't understand the 4th, 7th, and the 8th question.
Okay. So length and breadth are given. You can find the area. The area would be 15, 1, 2, 3, 4 meters square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
The cost of the land, the 1 meter square cost 10,000 rupees. So 1 meter square is for rupees 10,000, and this would be 150,000 would be for 150,000 into 10,000. Any doubt?
No, sir.
This would be 15 into 10 raised to 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Question number 2. Area whose perimeter is 320 meter. So this is a square. This is L, this is L, this is L, this is L. 4L is 320. Therefore, L is 80. And area would be L square. L into L. So this will be 80 into 80 is equal to 6,400 meters square. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya?
No, sir.
Question number 3. We have to find the breadth. Area is given. Length is 22. It's a rectangular plot.
So the breadth will be 20 meters.
Yes. So this is 22 meter. B into 22 is equal to 440. Therefore, B is equal to 44 by 20 meter. We need to find the perimeter. Perimeter would be twice of L plus B. Twice of 22 plus 20. Any doubt?
No,
Mr.
sir.
Sarthak?
No, sir.
Question number 4. Perimeter is given. Length is given. Find the breadth. Length is 35 centimeter. So if we assume that this is B, this would also be B. And formula of perimeter of a rectangle is twice of L plus B. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So twice of L plus B equal to 100. Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, 35 plus B is equal to 50. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Therefore, B is equal to 50. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
For area, you need to use this formula. So 35 into 50. Mr. Sarthak would be equal to?
So I'll just do it.
Mr. Satya?
Yeah, so 1 second. 525.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Area is same as a park, rectangular park. Side of square park is 60. Length of rectangular is 90. So
2275 meters square.
let me check, sir. This is my square and this is my rectangle. So areas are equal. Both the areas are equal. Equal areas. Now, this is 60, this is 60, this is 90. Let me assume that this is B. So, area would be 60 into 60. This would be equal to 90 into B. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So 60 into 60 is equal to 90 into B. Therefore, B would be equal to 60 into 60 upon 90. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So 0 and 0 will cancel. 60 into 6 would be 360 divided by 9 would be 40. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Question 6. Area is in the shape of a rectangle. Length and breadth are given. Same wire is rebent in the shape of square. What will be the measure of each side? Mr. Sarthak?
Sir, I only answered the last, the second also find which shape encloses more area.
Have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
See, this would be the perimeter of the rectangle. Any doubt here? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square. Now this rectangle is bent into a square. This rectangle is bent into a square. So the perimeter of this rectangle is actually the length of the wire. Mr.
Yes.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So this length would be equal to length of the square. Any doubt? Because the same length is being used. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir. So will it be 31.25 centimeter?
Sir, see, have you understood that the length of this wire would be equal to 124 centimeter? Have you understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
And then, yes, let us calculate if length of this square is L, then 4L would be equal to 124. Therefore, L is equal to 31 centimeter. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak?
No, sir.
So, you also need to find the area. Area of this would be 22 into 40. This would be equal to 880 centimeters square. And area of this would be equal to 31 into 31. Any doubt, Mr. Sarthak?
So, but they will both have equal areas, right?
Why would they have equal areas?
So, because the same wire of the same length is being used to make.
Sir, area would be different, no? The perimeter would be the same. Why the area would be different? Same.
Oh, so I understood.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
From the same wire, you can make a circle also. You can make a triangle also. You can make an equilateral triangle or any other triangle. Have you understood the logic?
Yes, sir.
Satya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next question. Perimeter of a rectangle is 120 centimeter. If the breadth is 30, so this is 30, this is 30. Let us assume this is length, this is length. So twice of L plus 30 would be equal to 130. L plus 30 would be equal to 65. L would be equal to 35. Mr. Sarthak, any problem?
No, sir.
So length is 35. You can find the area. Area would be 35 into 30. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Sarthak, tell me. Mr. Sarthak, have you any doubt?
No, sir.
And let us see the last question. A door of length 2 meter, breadth. Length of the wall is 4 meter, breadth is 3.6. So these are the measurements. So this is 2 by 1 and the wall is 4.5 into 3.6. All are meters. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. Now, when I'm whitewashing the wall, I need not whitewash the door. So therefore, I'll take the full area of the wall and subtract the door from it. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So 4.5 into 3.6 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1. So I'll get some answer here. And then whatever answer I get would be in meter square. I can multiply that meter square by rupees 20. And I will get the final answer in rupees. Mr. Sarthak, would you be able to calculate this?
Yes, sir.
This question is your homework. Question number 8 is your homework. Yeah.
Okay.